This is something new that master free. So you buy any of the tools, get that free. A really nice tape measure. We got the top deals for this month. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like and the bell. Don't forget to follow us on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook for more tool deals, more price glitches. All right, so let's go ahead and start. This is pretty much clearance. They're clearancing all the older stuff, the older models. 375 down from 499. When you're buying something like this, make sure you guys ask for the batteries. Usually they will keep the batteries somewhere else, or they keep them on the bag. So always check on those. 224 down from 299, not bad. And guys, if there's any links, I'll leave them down below in the description section of the video. If I don't post it, you guys could obviously look at the model number and stuff like that, the item number. Check this out. This is a really nice. This is a premium grill. Yeah, it's a modular grill here. This is 1979 down from 2199. Yeah, this is a dream. We can only have this as a dream in our dreams, right? All right, so we got some nice cabinets on the bottom, nice storage. You got 2 drawers on the right. You do have this. This is accessory. You can put this on the beside it. Does have a sink and a built-in fridge. And then you got a the middle part of it, so you can put it together. And it does have some storage at the bottom. Really nice electrical outlets and stuff like that. All right, so Eagle Power 56 volt 650 CFM on sale. This one's 179. So limited time deal. You guys know these are solid. I personally do have this one. That thing's a beast. So it eats batteries like crazy, but it's still a beast. And if you have the mower, then it works out perfectly for these, because you already got the extra batteries. All right, this is something new that I haven't seen before. They actually have a measurement tool here for your chains. If you want to know what size is your chain, you guys could bring it here and obviously put it in there and compare it to what is the size of your chain there and stuff. That way you can find the correct size. $39.97 down from $99 for the add-on steel bush blade. This is pretty much an attachment. I believe these are capable with universal attachments with other brands. You got 300 watt power inverter. If you guys got these batteries, make sure you guys pick one of these up. 300 watts for $99.98. They had this on clearance. Actually, the older model last week we were here, not at this one, at another store. $31.99 for the Porta Cool. This is a big shop. So if you guys have a shop or big outdoor area on the back of your yard, then I suggest you get one of these. And the older ones are fine. The smaller ones are fine. It's just the amount of air, the if you have a bigger area. We got a bunch of shelving units here. 79 down from 139. Different sizes. They're all on clearance and new lower prices that they call them. You got the model number there, 69 down from 119. That's actually not bad for the 5-tier. And then check this out. They have some more storage here for the garage. 209. I personally would go with the regular toolbox. Tell the truth, because this one for the money, I think it's a little flimsy. It still works. It still looks nice because you got that rugged type of metal and stuff on the front. But personally, I would invest in a toolbox. All right, we got a carrying case here for a chainsaw. This is pretty much a universal. 39 down from 49.98, depending on what size is your. We got a chameleon tape measure here, self lock. This was 26 footers, 797 down from 998. High visibility. You got 200 feet of line, Husqvarna or Husky. 0.095. So it's a commercial grade that they call it. They got a 3-pack of DeWalt circular saw blades, 24 tooth, 1572, down from 26.98. And then we have some more DeWalt stuff here, $99 up from $129 for the PVC PEX cutter. So if you guys do DIY plumbing and stuff like that, $16.97 down from $19.98, cutting stripping kit from the Klein's Tools. And here's another one. This is a weed eater from the the Eagle. This one does come for $179, down from $249. Got $53 off from $59 for the AC string trimmer. So 3.5 amp. You got this $79 off from $89 for the trimmer. This is a 10-inch V20. This is a big section, by the way, guys. 40 volt 14-inch chainsaw for $224, down from $249. That one is a kit. It does say it's a kit. It comes with charger and a battery there. And then they got a grill here. This is a 3-burner liquid propane gas grill. Spirits, $318. You got this Eagle chainsaw. It looks like it does come with the battery. Yeah, it looks like it does come with the 5 amp hour battery that it says right there. We got the Master from the Shark. So this is a cleaning machine here, $89.99, off from $99, so $10 off on this one. Shop wet and dry vacuum for smaller stuff. Not bad at all. All right, so flooring. So if you guys have rental properties or just want to do just a plain remodel, make sure you guys pay attention to the Lowe's yellow signs. There's a lot on clearance. You got the item number there, but there's just a lot of different ones, different colors and different brands on clearance, because they're just trying to get the older stuff out. Pretty much all the stores on clearance, to tell the truth. Everywhere you go, you're gonna see something on clearance. As a matter of fact, I did find some Romex wire, because I'm running some electrical, and did see some Romex wiring, and it was crazy. I got it for like $13. It was like $25 or $29 down to $13. That was just a killer deal on the Romex. All right, and you got this infrared thermometer. It's a 2-year guarantee on this one. From the Cobalt, does come with batteries. Not bad. So it is a 12-in-1. And then check out this shelf. I really like the blue and the black contrast. 36-inch 2-drawer cabinet, blue, $379. Not bad for this one. Something different, red and blue, different color. And then if you guys got a shop, a shed or something like that, you guys can get something like this and just paint it. You can paint it your favorite color, red, yellow, whatever your tool brand is. All right, we got $99. Your choice of any of these. You got the speaker, the light, or the job site blower. So any of those do come with batteries and chargers. Got the buy one get one free. So you buy any of the tools, get that free 8 amp hour battery to $199 value. That's actually a pretty good deal for all the tools. And yes, guys, these are not hackable. They are not hackable, so do not try and hack it from the Lowe's unless it's a store specific, because each Lowe's is different. So you got the XR Impact driver. I believe that's the new one for $219. And then you got the deals here, the Lowe's deals that they call it. You got the angle grinder. These are most of these brushed tools, except for the for the battery and stuff like that. Not your choice there for $99. That is the newer battery there for that's the 8 amp hour battery. You got a 2-pack of there for $99 for the 4 amp hour. These are on clearance. Shock reels and shock force tape measures here for $22.47 from $24. These are actually pretty nice. These G2s. I personally do have one of these. These are really nice. If I don't lose them, then yeah, they tend to be a really nice tape measure. It is labeled on both sides. You do have a matte finish on the bottom. So 25 foot tape measure, $10 down from $12. It's very similar to the other one, but this one does not have the black part of it's yellow, traditional yellow, and it's only labeled on one side. All right, you got a tripod, $59.98 from the Bosch, and then you got the green crossline laser level. That's it right there. Looks pretty nice. I personally do prefer green instead of red. And that is the tripod right there. You can use it for different applications, not just that. You got the buy one, get one free. So you purchase any of the nailers and get a free starter kit. And each nailer, if you guys get the framing, you guys get a bigger battery. So that's on Impact Combo Kit. Metabo for $129. That's actually not bad for 2 tools. That is a crazy deal on this one. Impact driver, drill driver. You got Metabo 18-bolt grinder for $99 up from $159, and then you got a jigsaw for $79 down from $99. That's the grinder. They are brushless tools, pretty nice, premium. $19.98 down from $24.98 for the tough grip screwdriver bit set, 55 piece. It's actually a pretty nice kit. It does come with a lot of bits. So Yeah, nut drivers, bit holder. 2-inch bits, $14.98 for the tough grip screwdriver, 27 piece. Now this one does come with the rapid load. It's up on the right. Some drilling bits. Magnetic sleeve, $69 from $129 for the 6 amp hour battery. You got a Cobalt 2 pack of 4s for $79 up from $109. $69 down from $149 for the 2 amp hour and 4 amp hour starter kit from the Craftsman. These are not bad, but if you can wait for a sale, pay $30 more and get a tool basically. Talking about $30, this is $49, and this is it is a brushless tool, so one of the better ones that they have. $83 for this one. You got the cordless impact driver kit. $79 your choice. Any of these tools. These are all brushless RP tools, including the angle grinder. I will definitely pick up angle grinder. That saw does have some vibration to it. Still pretty powerful, pretty good for for the price. You got this is $12.98 for the Swanson Speed Square. Really like the indentations on this. This will last you a long time, because usually the ones that have paint on it, they'll just scratch off and it's useless now. $5.49. This is actually not a bad deal. I would try to invest in something like that, because these cheaper ones they're pretty good for if you're going to be using them every once in a while. But if you're going to be using them more often, they're going to want to invest in a really nice saw that has a really nice fence and measuring tool, more precise and stuff like that. And if you guys want me to make an in-depth video about table saws, I can do that. You got $229 down from $329 for the compact bevel, dual bevel miter saw. That's another tool that I need to buy actually, because I'm going to be doing some trim. You got a planer. This is actually not a bad little planer for smaller stuff, DIY, occasional use. You got the Dremel 4000, $89 down to $79.98. It's a 1.6 amp multi-purpose rotary tool. $5.99 down from $6.99 for the 13-inch planer. This is going to be more. All right, the original shop vac. Yes, we call every brand a shop vac. So this is the original one for $49. This is actually, they do sell them at Lowe's still. They did have some problems in their company, and I guess they're back. So shop vac is back. You get the Klein tools, the compact professional shears. There's just different tools that they hand tools that they got going on here. Then they do got a fastback style with a bit holder there on the end. I personally do have one of these. I do have the 52-inch. For a DIY or for somebody in the garage, this is excellent toolbox. So if you could find one on sale, this is actually pretty good. For your professionals, this might last you a few years, but you're gonna have to move into something better. Not necessarily the best quality on these, but good for DIY. Anyways, that's it for today. You guys have a great weekend. We'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.